Here is a tutorial where you learn how to transform any video with a green screen into one like this. Here you remove the green and change the background into anything you want, and you'll be doing all of that on your smartphone using the chroma key tool in Kinemaster. Once you install Kinemaster, I'm going to bring you to this screen with the create screen. If you want a full tutorial on how Kinemaster works on all the features of the app, I've made a tutorial on that. It explains how you can use Kinemaster to edit videos on your phone. So now you click on new project to start what you want to make, and then you're going to enter a project name and select 16:9 as the aspect ratio because that is what I'm working on, and then click on create. Now I'm going to bring you to your media browser and then to ask you to select the pictures or videos you want to work on in your video. So rather than selecting the green screen video, we need to instead select the new background that we want to put in after we remove the green screen. So whatever new background you want to put in, that's what you're going to select as your media file. So I have a few images here and I'm going to select one of them. So it drops down into the timeline and then you can start work with it. Now you might notice some black bars around the video here. So in order to remove them, I'm going to click on the media clip and then pan and zoom. Now I'm going to click on this equal to icon and then zoom in so it fills the entire screen. Yeah, that's perfect. Yes. From there we can then click on layer and then media, and that's when we're going to import in our video the video we want to use. We want to remove the background of. So that video drops down the timeline. You can see it right here. So it's a layer that's on top of the background that we've selected earlier. Now you can use this handle to increase the size to however you want it to be. You can just make it fill the entire screen. All we're going to do now is select the background and then extend it using this handle all the way to the end. So just extend it like that to the end of the layer of the green screen. So now click on the green screen layer down here, and then to bring out some options over here, and you scroll down until you see chroma key, then you click on enable. Now there will be a default key color over here, and that's going to try to remove as much of the green as possible, but it might not be perfect. As you can see, there's some green around the hair and around the body of the woman. So we're going to click on this key color, and that way we can adjust the key color to the color of the original green that was in the video. So far, if you've been learning from this video, please like and subscribe. The Smartphone Creative is a channel where you learn how to create quality videos and graphics with free apps on your smartphone. Now, in order to get this perfect, there's a website I saw, imagecolorpicker.com, and then you can take a screenshot of the video, the green part of the video, and then take it to the app, and then you can find out the exact color that the green screen was. So I've done that already, and I'm just going to go over here and then click on paste, and then paste. It changes the color to what I wanted, to what was in the initial video, the green that was in the initial video. And then you notice that it doesn't appear the way you want it to. You're just going to adjust this that shows 28% over here and adjust it to 50%, and that's good. If you want something perfect, then go to detail curve and adjust it until all the green is gone. I'm guessing that's a little bit better. Now that's what I wanted, so I can play the video now and look at it. So you can see it looks perfect with the green screen, and that's how you remove the green background of any video you have and change it to anything you want it to be. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. If you want to learn how to remove the Kinemaster watermark in your videos, click on the video on the screen right now. I'll see you guys.